Ganitong dessert naman ang gawin mo ngayong darating na Pasko kaya wala nang maraming kuda. Simulan na natin. So gagawa muna tayo ng soaking mixture. Sa isang bowl, mix nyo lang yung 1/4 cup all-purpose cream not chilled, 1/4 cup evaporated milk, and 1/8 cup ng condensed milk. And set aside nyo lang pag okay na. Next, gagamit naman tayo ng 6 to 8 pieces ng vanilla cake bars at hihiwahin natin to into small cubes. Set aside. Next, gagawin naman natin yung cream topping. So sa isang malaking mixing bowl, combine nyo lang yung 1 pack ng chilled all-purpose cream and 1/8 cup ng condensed milk. Whip lang until smooth and thickened. Set aside lang muna. Next, gagamit naman tayo ng 1 can ng Jolly Peach Halves. I-drain lang natin yan and then hihiwain natin yung peaches into small cubes. And since ready na yung mga ingredients natin, so pwede na natin itong i-assemble sa cups. Ito na nga lang na videohan yung mismong pag-assemble kaya ito pictures na lang. Sa first layer, so ilalagay nyo lang yung diced vanilla cake bars followed by 1 to 2 tablespoons ng soaking mixture. Sunod naman yung cream topping and then yung diced peaches. So ulitin nyo lang yung layer until mapuno yung cups. Then magtira lang kayo ng space para sa cream and peaches as toppings. Refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. After that, pwede nyo nang ma-enjoy ang inyong no-bake peach tres leches cake. Legit to, promise. Ayun lang, babushi!